Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ryan. Welcome to another video. This will be a short video, around 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you this amazing toy. It's the F36 mini drone. Okay, let's have a look what's in the box. I must say this is a very cheap toy, almost indestructible. It costs around $10, depends if you got a discount from GearBest. Mine came with 3 batteries, slightly more expensive, like $15 or so. I've got the orange version. You can get the orange or the cyan version. I got this drone before the Bang Young Toys X16. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can have a look as well. So this was my first drone ever. I never tried the drone before, and I must say this thing is bulletproof. Very small controller, 3 buttons, very basic. This controller uses 3 AAA batteries. In the box you also find a USB charger to charge the batteries. Charges in around 13 minutes each battery and lasts for, I would say, 5 minutes of flight time. Also comes with another set of props. It's 4 props, where's the missing one? There is also a Phillips screwdriver and, in my case, 2 more batteries. Each battery is 3.7 volts, 150 milliamps an hour, and it gives you a 5 to 6 minutes of flight time. There is also a user manual in English and Chinese showing the basic controls, how to do flips, how to charge it, and this is what comes in the box. Let me show you now how the charger works. So it's a basic USB. Plug it into some source of power. And that's it. It's charging the battery. Got a red LED. When it's off, it's fully charged. Okay guys, a moment of truth. The first time I ever flew a drone. Okay, moving forward, after a few practices off camera, a few crashes, I finally got the hang of it. It's very easy to fly, excellent if you want to practice how to control a drone, and it's very durable. I crashed it a few times and nothing happened. Let me tell you a few specs about the drone. So it's a F36 model. The range is around 30 meters. The flight time around 5 minutes, I would say, and the charging time it's around half an hour. You can do flips. Look at this, amazing. It has 2 LEDs, quite powerful, I would say. Red on the front, blue on the back. The LEDs will flash when the battery is running low on power. This drone has 2 rates, a low and a high rate. I think I only used the low rate. Like I mentioned before, you can do flips. This drone has the headless mode and 1 key return, which I never use, to be honest. yeah, this is a very stable, easy to fly drone. Excellent for first timers like me. Very durable. You can't crush this. Yeah, I think that's it. It's a very nice toy. Loads of fun. I do recommend get the extra 2 batteries. Otherwise, you only play for 5 minutes and that's it. I will leave a link down below so you can check it out. Sometimes Gearbest do some nice discounts. Have a look. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please leave it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys on the next one.